day here. We're going to start part 5, I think it is. Get the bucket all welded up. I'll show you how I got it all laid out, but we got some welding to do, so let's get it done. All right, Uncle Joey, I got to put you on the mute.
Everything about Texas.
You guys want to see a funny dude? Look on YouTube for Joey Diaz. Guy's hilarious. All right, so I got this all laid out. I got it kind of roughly laid out to where I want it, where I want to do all the welds. 1-inch welds along, inside seam welds, all that stuff. So I'll get you guys set up here on the on a tripod. We'll maybe do a little video montage of me welding. Yeah, let's get this thing done. What are you doing, Huckies?
What do you want?
Meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Hunky Berry?
Huh, Huckies? Come on. Do a wheelie. This is my hood kitty. Come on. Come on up. Do a wheelie. Good boy. Huh? I almost run you over when you were a little baby. I was driving down through Lansingburg and this one come flying out at me. And then this one's got me all hooked on cats. What are you guys doing?
Touching each other.
No broken arms today, please.
Whoa!
Holy shit. Not again.
All right, we're done with that swing.
Not again.
We're all done with that swing.
You ready to come film for me or what? Yeah, welcome to the... All right, we got work to do, Extreme.
It's time for you guys to go.
Knew them, huh? Knew them things?
Knew them.
Yeah. Dude, I'm tired. Time of the day for me, you know? Clean them. Maybe we should use your super cool guy on them. Oh, I see better.
Nice and clear in my helmet.
Clearly now that your dirty car.
That's a good rendition there. I like that version.
All right. Still tangled. Nobody likes a dirty tip. Alright, here we go. Shit. You give me money? What happened? What happened? Ran out of welding gases. Son of a bitch. Here. Oh, you pig.
You didn't run out of gas there, did you?
No, I didn't. I'm telling you, it's a sleep apnea mask. It's pushing the air right into me. gonna have to move your car for me too. You know that, right?
I do now.
You guys can do too?
No.
Yeah, I can.
Always gotta push it.
Just exchange these, what?
But it didn't help that you had a leak
I had a leak
and you ran out of like a half of a bottle before you realized it, so. But you've done a lot of welding.
Say what?
I said you've done an awful lot of welding in the last couple weeks too, so.
True story. True story. Well, Earl will be excited to see me. Homie Earl down there. I love that guy. He always hooks me up the best. What did I do? I'm tired, lady. Is it nap time yet?
No.
Got my nitrox tanks on the back there. Make the old work truck fast. All right. Nothing sucks worse than running out in the middle of a job. I'm out of here.
A few moments later.
That was a wasted hour and a half, huh?
I mean, it's not wasted if you got something useful.
You hear that noise?
Shitter's full, Clark.
Huh?
Shitter's full, Clark.
Someone's getting their septic pump. These are, what, 80 cubic feet, I think?
I don't know.
I'd like to get taller ones, but these are all, I bought them all, so. They're customer owned. They don't cost me as much. Oh, there's something I built a while ago. Look at that. Knurled it for something, I forget. Alright. Get this all set up. Back to welding. All right, so we did it. We got her all welded up there. I'll bring you in so you can see all the welds. What's up, Mama?
I did my nails.
Oh, let's see. Hang on. What you did? Oh, wow. She does all these herself, putting the things on and everything. I like the red. That's a nice color.
Thanks.
You got a cat hair stuck in it.
You can take care of it after.
You stink. Look at my welds.
Oh, we bolted something pretty.
Yeah. That we did.
Nice job.
That's what you would consider stack of dimes welds.
Dig those.
Yeah, they're okay. They're strong. You know, that's more or less why I did them. They're for strength. Look at the outside joint. Focus. Look at the outside joint. Ooh.
Yeah, it looks really good.
And then these upper welds. Yeah. Someone's calling the business phone.
Oh, well, we can't miss that.
Got her all welded up. Nice outside welds. I'm just whooped, guys. I'm absolutely tired. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm sure I'll get another kick of energy after dinner, but you know, you don't really realize how much welding really does take out of you, and grinding and fabricating, and you know, it's tough. Hats off to the guys that do it on a regular basis, man. It's a lot of work. I mean, they're a little bit more advanced with their tooling. I mean, my machines are old. They're old school. It's an Econo-TIG on the bottom, and that Miller-Matic 175. None of that auto set bullcrap. I don't like that stuff, but you know, these are really basic machines. You know, that and I got a Tombstone welder over there, the old Lincoln, and I got a buddy of mine's welder that's a stick welder. You probably saw that on my gas-powered stick welder. You probably saw that on my mobile repair service I did this spring. It's an old Lincoln gas-powered with an Onan engine. I think it's Onan. Good machine, but yeah, see, when I get tired, I get rambling. So, hope you guys liked it. There will be more coming soon, definitely. We're going to get this bucket primed and hopefully painted. I know, painted, but at least the back of it needs to be painted because it's going to get scratched off. But. All right, rambling. Catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.